Hello learners, welcome back. So there is another question which has been asked previously in SSC JEE 2004 for 10 marks, and the question says that we have to find the moment of inertia of the section about the x-axis. So there is a figure given to you and we have to find the moment of inertia of the shaded figure. So let's do it. This is a very simple question. For that you must know what are the moment of inertia of the regular figure. So let me tell you, moment of inertia, which is denoted by I, about the x-axis of circle is pi d to the power 4 by 64. This you should know. Now moment of inertia of a rectangle, you can say square is also a rectangle. So a rectangle about the x-axis is bd cube by 12. bd cube by 12. So if you know these two things, the question is very simple. And if you don't know, just make a list of all the moment of inertia which you have to learn. Now let's proceed. What else is given in the question? That it is given that the side of the square is 4 centimeter and the diameter of the circle is 12 centimeter. So let's first calculate the moment of inertia of the circle. So for circle, moment of inertia is about the x-axis is pi d to the power 4 by 64. What is pi over here? So pi will remain pi. Okay, and d is diameter of the circle is given as 12 centimeter. So 12 to the power 4 by 64. Just calculate this, you will get the answer, and the answer comes out to be 1017.88 centimeter to the power 4. Now let's calculate it for the square. So for square, I about the x-axis is how much? bd cube by 12. So what is breadth over here? Breadth is 4 centimeter given in the question. What is depth over here? Depth is also 4 centimeter given in the question. Depth is also 4 centimeter and breadth is also 4 centimeter. So very simple, you have to put these values. So what is breadth? Breadth is 4 centimeter. What is depth? Depth is also 4 centimeter by 12. So it will be 21.33 centimeter to the power 4. Now once we have calculated for the square and for the circle, what we have to do, we don't have to find the moment of inertia of either the square or the circle. We have to find the moment of inertia of the figure which is shaded in blue color. So what we can do, if we subtract the moment of inertia of the square from the moment of inertia of the circle, we'll get the answer. So moment of inertia for the shaded portion, let me write it down. I of the shaded portion is equals to moment of inertia of the circle minus the moment of inertia of the square. If you do this, you will get the answer. So it is very simple. It is, what is for a circle? It is 1017.88. So 1017.88 minus what is for a square? It is 21.33 centimeter to the power 4, 21.33. You subtract these two numbers, you will get 5 over here. 7 minus 1 is 6, and then 99. Yeah. So this is the final answer. Centimeter to the power 4. Don't forget to write the units. The unit for moment of inertia is whatever the quantity of length, centimeter or millimeter or whatever it is, to the power 4. So this is the correct answer. Very small question, but it is carrying 10 marks. Very easy question, worth 10 marks. Okay, that's all for this class. Bye bye and have a nice day. And do like and follow me for more.